Still in Lexington, Illinois, and here you can see a statue of a man putting horseshoes on what appears to be a Clydesdale, with the baby Clydesdale watching. This is at the Anvil brand H&H machining company. Great statue. And I want to give a shout out to Mayor Spencer Johansen, who I met at the city office. He gave me this Illinois US 66 Lexington pin. Many of you may think I'm crazy for wanting to just wander and roam and enjoy Route 66. That may well be, but at least Mayor Spencer also is interested in doing that, but his goal, once he retires, is to do it in a 66 convertible and travel from Chicago to Santa Monica Pier as well. So shout out to Mayor Johansen. Thank you very much. Till we meet again. God bless you, each and every one.